Premier Energies is one of the leading solar PV cells and modules manufacturing industry with 1,000 plus headcount, out of which at least 850 are factory workers. Currently serving organizations across 30 plus countries across the globe. With the motto to reimagine tomorrow and renew today. They are determined to power new possibilities for the people and the planet.
Premier Energies has never been, on the automation side of HR. So it's a new journey for, the organization. HR team members, of course, each one of us prior to Premier Energies, we've kind of worked on HRMS systems. So we know, the pros and cons of having one. But taking along a legacy organization who's been around for 25 years, a very traditional organization, and then suddenly this new path. It's been a roller coaster ride for all of us. It's not to remove human interface, not at all. It's only to make your jobs easier. A different demographic that we deal with, a different kind of audience that we have.
Of course.
Kind of explaining to them what, the benefits of an HRMS could be, and, getting that like a ingrained thing, right? To be able to not pick a paper and sign, but go onto the system.
Automated.
Automated. Like, it's so easy for a manager to just pick up a leave slip and then sign on it. But you want to steer away from those discussions, right? You want everything to be recorded. You want everything to be automated, process dependent. We can crack the, the kind of, encouragement that our factory teams can kind of give us in entire HRMS implementation. I think that's the deal breaker for us, because majority of our workforce are factory guys. There's a very little workforce which is, like hardly maybe, out of the 1,000 people, there are only 100 or 120 people who are in the HO, who have formed those central functions.
It's really good. We see our factory team leaders are also giving out the badges, writing, and not just the copy-paste content. Actually, they are writing on their own what they want to congratulate their team members for. And we see people clapping on those, everybody across the organization. That is working really. This is one feature which our factory teams are utilizing to the maximum extent. We get around 10 tickets every day from the factory teams, more than from HO teams. So they are coming up with, attendance-related queries and all of that.
Yes.
The ease of changing the settings, which, from the backend, because I am the one who keep changing the settings for the team.
In terms of overall connectivity, right, that's really helped in terms of we use HR1 a lot now, even to send out lots of messages to the organization. We use the broadcasting feature. Then, of course, it's our own internal goal that we want to automate. So that's kind of helped us, because nobody waits for my signatures now, or there's no pile up of work because I'm not in office, or Krishna is not in office, or Renuka is not. So it's much more easier that way.
We are using it right from scheduling interviews to sending documentations, and candidates also upload their documents in the link which we share. So that's actually making the life of the HR as well as the new joinee also becoming easy. So once new joinee comes on board, we'd be able to use the same links where the documents are attached. And offer letter also, we are able to send it directly.
In terms of making the process more robust and ensuring that there are least manual interventions. So we don't want to see Excel sheets floating between all of us. We want to go to the system and then make sure that everything is there on the system, even from a governance point of view, right? Like any governance audit that you will have, will simply get shot down if they see multiple HR sheets, multiple Excel sheets floating around, right? Because data sanctity in an Excel sheet can never be protected.
Never, yes.
In that sense, yes, we want to use HR1 as only the platform for running payroll. Of it was really, really simple for anyone to understand.
As mentioned, the ease of use, the interface is quite, I worked on a couple of other HRMS, and I found HR1 to be like a Facebook or a LinkedIn page kind of thing, where employees find it interesting to look at.
Second thing is in terms of the support that your team has really given. I think I would really put that up there. Multiple calls right through the start. I think your team has been really, really patient with us.
Yeah,
Always
how
look forward to what is the next thing that is happening.